Dear students, in this paper MA8491 numerical methods, we discuss the unit number 5, boundary value problems in ordinary and partial differential equations, one-dimensional heat equations. The one-dimensional heat equation is dou u by dou t equal to alpha square dou square du by dou x square, that is ut equal to alpha square uxx, where alpha square equal to k divided by Cp. C is the specific heat of the material, P is the density, K is the thermal conductivity. Let alpha squared equal to 1 by A. If we take alpha squared equal to 1 by A, then the alpha square taken into the left side. So we rewritten as dou squared u by dou x squared equal to 1 by alpha square dou u by dou t, which is dou squared u by dou x squared equal to alpha squared equal to 1 by a, so 1 by alpha squared equal to 1 by 1 by a, so it is the a, so a into dou u by dou t, therefore uxx equal to a ut. Here a is the coefficient of uxx, so a equal to 1, b is the coefficient of uxy, so equal to 0, c is the coefficient of u, here y is the t, yes, UTT, the term is not available, so C is 0, therefore B squared minus 4A is equal to 0, therefore it is the parabolic. So one dimensional heat equation is also called as parabolic equation. The numerical solutions of one dimensional heat equations. In this chapter we discuss the two methods to solve the one dimensional heat equation. The first one is explicit method, it is called Bender-Smith method. The second one is implicit method, Crank-Nicolson method. Now in this class we discuss the explicit method, Bender-Smith method. Explicit method, Bender-Smith method, we write the given one-dimensional heat equation in the form of Uxx equal to AUT. We always write in this form, Uxx equal to A into UT. Let lambda equal to K divided by AH square, where here H is the strip size of X. That means the increment of X, or also denoted as del X. K is the strip size of T, it is denoted by del T or K. Lambda equal to K divided by AH square. The Smith explicit formula for solving one-dimensional heat equation is ui comma j plus 1 equal to lambda ui plus 1 comma j plus 1 minus 2 lambda into ui comma j plus lambda into ui minus 1 comma j, or ui comma j plus 1 equal to lambda into ui plus 1 comma j plus ui minus 1 comma j plus 1 minus 2 lambda into ui comma j. Here u written in two indices. The first index is the value for I, the second one is j. I stands for x, j stands for t. It is the called ith column. Here we use I index for the column, j index for rows, so it is the jth row. So in this row all the elements with j. In this column denotes for I, it is the ith column, so it is here I, it is I, it is I minus 1, previous one, so it is I minus 1, the next one is I plus 1. Here we use the formula to find u I comma j plus 1 equal to lambda into the beginning one and the last one plus 1 minus 2 lambda into u I comma j. If lambda value is lies between 0 to 1 by 2, the explicit formula is valid and the solution is stable. If lambda is greater than 1 by 2, then the solution is unstable. If lambda equal to 1, the solution is unstable. In this purpose, we use lambda equal to 1 in the previous formula. If lambda equal to 1, then it is 1 minus 2, so it is minus 1. So it is ui plus 1 comma j minus uij plus ui minus 1 comma j, or it is rewritten as a equal to bd minus c, b plus d minus c, a equal to b plus d minus c, or this minus ui comma j can be written as the last term is also okay. This is no problem. If lambda equal to 1, the solution is unstable. If lambda equal to 1 by 2, this is the important one case. If the value of k is not known, let us assume lambda equal to 1 by 2. In this part, the formula becomes Bender-Smith recurrence formula. Bender and Smith discuss this problem. If lambda equal to 1 by 2, then k divided by a h squared equal to 1 by 2. So a h squared taken to the right side. So k equal to a h squared by 2. Then the formula 1 can be rewritten as lambda equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 2 lambda equal to 0. Lambda equal to 1 by 2. So ui plus 1 comma j plus ui minus 1 comma j divided by 2. This is called Bender-Smith recurrence equation, or simply a equal to b plus c by 2. These two average value is the next row value ui comma j plus 1. Here the problem, Bender-Smith method, one dimensional heat equation. Solve dou squared u by dou x squared equal to 2 into dou u by dou t, given u of 0 comma t equal to 0, u of 4 comma t equal to 0, and u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus 0. These are the boundary conditions and also initial condition. The boundary condition means x value is given, then it is called boundary condition. The time value be 0, then it is called the initial condition. Taking here del x equal to 1, that means h equal to 1, del t is k. Yes, del t equal to k is 1. Find the value of u up to t equal to 5 using the Bender-Smith explicit finite difference scheme or method. Given uxx equal to 2 into ut, uxx equal to 2 into ut. So compare with the one dimensional heat equation, uxx equal to a ut, so a equal to 2, so a equal to 2, here h equal to 1, k equal to 1, lambda equal to k divided by a h square, it is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1 square, so lambda equal to 1 by 2. When lambda equal to 1 by 2, we can use Bender-Smith explicit formula. So here lambda equal to 1 by 2, so we can use Bender-Smith formula. X equal to 0, that means x equal to 0 means we already say x equal to 0 is the first column. Yes, u of 0 comma t equal to 0, then u of 0 comma j, first element for the column, second element for the row. Yes, it is the first column will be 0 given u of 4 comma t equal to 0, so u of 4 comma j equal to 0, it is stands for the last column. X varies from 0 to 4, so x varies from 0 to 4 with h equal to 1, so x equal to 0 to 4, which implies I equal to 0 to 4. We have to find the value of u up to t equal to 5. Why? Given up to 5, find the value of u up to t equal to 5. So up to t equal to 5 with k equal to 1. Given del t equal to 1, so k equal to 1. So t equal to 0 to 5, which implies j equal to 0 to 5. Given the, the third boundary condition, it is known as the initial condition. Since t equal to 0, it is called also initial condition. It is no problem. U of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x, given x into 4 minus x. Here the value of the first row, t equal to 0, so it is the first row. This condition gives the first row values. So in this table we know first column and the last column. Now we find the first row values. Now given u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. So the first column element be 0. So the next element u of 1 comma 0 equal to, so put x equal to 1. So the first column, this element is 0, this element is 0 in the first row. So we want to find u value at x equal to 1, 2 and 3. So u of 1 comma 0 equal to, put x equal to 1. So 1 into 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Put x equal to 2. So 2 into 4 minus 2, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Put x equal to 3. So 3 into 4 minus 3. So 3 into 4 minus 3. So 3 into 1 equal to 3. So given lambda equal to 1 by 2, therefore the Bender-Smith formula is u of I comma j plus 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j divided by 2. This I minus 1 comma j, it is I plus 1 comma j. This one is u of I comma j. There is no problem. This value is u of I comma j plus 1. Yes. Here a equal to b plus c by 2. Denote it. A equal to b plus c by 2. It is wrong. Divided by 2. The values of u, I comma j are tabulated below. Given x varies from 0 to 4. So x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4. It is t equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to t equal to 5. So t equal to 5. I values 0 to 4. J value is 0 to 5. The first column will be 0 given. So the first column will be 0. The last column value will be 0. Yes. We find the first row, the remaining values be 3, 4, 3. So 3, 4, 3. Then we find, next we find this portion value only we want to find out. The remaining value is this only here. Now we find this value be 2, since 0 plus 4 by 2 equal to 2. This value 3 by 3 plus 3 by 2. This value is 4 plus 0 by 2. So 2. Next one, this 1.5 is obtained by 0 plus 3 by 2 is 1.5. This value 2 is obtained by 2 plus 2 by 2 equal to 2. It is 3 plus 0 by 2 is 1.5. This one is 0 plus 2 by 2. So it is 1. It is 1.5. It is 1.5. It is 3. 3 by 2 is 1.5. It is 2. 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Here 0. It is 1.5. So 1.5 divided by 2, it is 0.5. It is 1, 1, so 1. 1.5, 0, it is 0.75. 0, 1, so zero point 0.5. 0.75, 0.75, so 0.75. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 by 2 is zero point 0.5. So we calculated the values. It is the final answer. We want to find the tabular value only. Yes. Similarly, the second problem, dou u by dou t equal to dou square u by dou x square 0 to 1 t greater than 0 with u of 0 comma t u of 1 comma t equal to 0 u of x comma 0 equal to x into 1 minus x with del x equal to 0.2 for 3 times step. The previous problem, the step size del t is given, here del t is not given. Okay, then comparing with a equal to 1, given h equal to zero point 0.2 only. Since k is not given, here we use the Bender-Smith here explicit method. So it is Bender-Smith explicit method. Implicit method is Grant-Nicholson method. Here explicit method. So it is Bender-Smith method. It is the one-dimensional heat equation. Here lambda equal to 1 by 2. So k equal to a h squared by 2. So k equal to a h squared by 2. H squared is 0.2 square. So 0.2 square by 2 is equal to 0.02. Given u of 0 comma t equal to 0. U of 0 comma t equal to 0. 1 comma t is also 0. So first column and last column will be 0. Here x value varies from 0 to 1 with h equal to 0.2. So x equal to 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. In the previous problem, x values from 0 to 4. Here x values from 0 to 1 with increment 0.2. So I value is, sorry, sorry, this I value is 0 to 5 only, not 6. 0 to 5 only. 0 to 5 only. Yes. 0 to 5 only. Okay. Is written as 0 to 5, not 1 to 6, 0 to 5. Now given, we have to find the value of u up to 3 times step with k equal to 0.02. We find it. Given only up to how many steps? 3 times steps. So 3 times step means j value is 0, 1, 2, 3 with t equal to 0 with step size is 0.02. So t equal to 0, 0.2, 0.04, 0.06. The third boundary condition, it is the initial condition, u of x comma 0 equal to x into 1 minus x. So the value of the first row is given by 0.2 comma 0, since 0 comma 0 is the first column element, 1 comma 0 is the last column element. So we need not to find that values. That value must be 0. Yes. Since x equal to 0, this value is 0. X equal to 1, this value is 0. So the final answer is 0. Here x equal to 0.2 comma 0. So 0.2 into 1 minus 0.2. So it is 0.6. Then 0.4 comma 0, it is 0.024. 0.6 comma 0, 0.6 into 1 minus 0.6. So 0.6 into 0.4, so 0.24. 0.8 comma 0, 0.8 into 1 minus 0.2. Using this formula, we find the values of the first row. Now the Bender-Smith formula is u of I comma j plus 1 equal to ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j divided by 2, since lambda equal to 1 by 2. Here x equal to 0 to 1 with increment 0.2. So I value is 0 to 5. J value is 0 to up to 3 times step only we want to find. These are extra steps. So t values from 0 to 0.06, since time step value is 0.02, since k value is 0.02. So t equal to 0, t equal to 0.02, t equal to 0.04, t equal to 0.06. These two steps are extra steps. If the given is up to t equal to 0.1 or up to 5 steps, so we move to 5 steps. Here it is the third step. Now the first column will be 0, so the first column will be 0. The last column is 0, so it is last column is 0. In the previous steps we find the first row values 0.16, 0.24, 0.24, 0.06, sorry 0.16. Then the remaining values are calculated by, these are the remaining values we want to find. Now this 0.12 can be obtained by 0 plus 0.24 divided by 2. So 0 plus 0.24 divided by 2 is 0.12. It is 0.16, it is 0.24. The sum is 0.40 divided by 2 is 0.20. It is 2416. So 40 by 2 is 20. It is 240. So divided by 2 is 0.12. It is 0. It is 0.2. So divided by 2 is 0.1. It is 0.12. 0.20. So the sum is 0.32. So divided by 2 is 0.16. Like we find the remaining values. The third problem, ut of, sorry, solve ut equal to uxx in 0 to 4 t greater than 0. Given u of 0 comma t equal to 0, u of 4 comma t equal to 0, u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. Compute u up to t equal to 4 with del x del t equal to 1. Given uxx equal to ut, uxx equal to aut compare with a equal to 1. Here lambda equal to k divided by ah square. So lambda equal to 1. So we use Smith explicit formula, not Bender-Smith. So lambda equal to 1, we use the formula this formula. The solution is unstable. This one plus this one minus this one. Here lambda equal to 1. Given u of 0 comma t equal to 0, therefore the first column will be 0. 4 comma t equal to 0, so the last column will be 0. X values varies from 0 to 4 with the h equal to 1. So x equal to 0 to 4, which implies I equal to 0 to 4. Then we have to compute u value up to t equal to 4 given. So t equal to 0 to 1 to 4 with, since k equal to 1. So j is 0 to 4. The third boundary condition, that is the initial condition, u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. The first row is given by put x equal to 1. Since 0 and 4 value will be 0, the remaining 1 to 3 we want to find. So u of 1 comma 0 equal to put x equal to 1. So 1 into 4 minus 1. So 3. Put x equal to 2. 2 into 4 minus 2 is 4. Put x equal to 3. 3 into 4 minus 3. So 3 into 1, it is 3. The remaining table values is calculated by the formula u I comma j plus 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j minus u I comma j. This minus u I comma j written in the last term is no problem. Here b plus d minus c is a. Now the table value x values from 0 to 4, that is I equal to 0 to 4, t value from 0 to 4, this is the j value 0 to 4. First column will be 0, the last column will be 0. We find the first row value is 3 4 2, sorry 3 4 3. So we write 3 4 3, then the one value, then we want to find these values only. So this one can be written by 0 plus 4 minus 3. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. These two can be obtained by 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. This one can be written by uh, found by 4 plus 0 minus 3. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Like this. 0 plus 2 minus 1. So 0 plus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then this value obtained by 1 plus 1 minus 2. So it is 0. It is 2, 1, sorry, 2, 0. 2 plus 0 is 2 minus 1. So it is 1. This obtained by 0 plus 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1. 1 plus 1 minus 0. So it is 2. 0 plus 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1. 0, 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 plus 0 minus 1 is minus 1. This is 3. 0 plus 2 minus of minus plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. It is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 4. It is 2 plus 0 minus of minus 1. So 2 plus 1, it is 3. So these are the Bender-Smith problems. Thank you.